Good morning, everyone. I hope you enjoyed your 3-day weekend and are well rested to start the week with a fresh start. We're going to be going through today's week at a glance. I just want to give you some insight on what's going on as we're starting into our content now. And some of you will be seeing me face to face this week for the first time. Others are staying home remotely full time, which is perfect as well, but I want to make sure everyone understands what's going on this week. So if we look at our week at a glance, yes, this says Monday and Tuesday. Please remember, obviously yesterday was a holiday. So my odd classes, that's my first, third, fifth, and seventh period classes, you will still need to do the assignments that are listed for Monday, even though it was a holiday. So basically, you're just going to be defining some key terms related to food trucks and review a PowerPoint with me over food truck history. Nothing hard, it's pretty simple. You're going to play a balloon pop vocab game and you have a quiz to take over the vocab words. There's only 6 words, so don't worry, it's going to be just fine. Then you will see on Wednesday, we will be applying decision-making skills and problem solving. Basically, we're starting the Great SHS Food Truck Challenge. We will be developing a food truck name, slogan, and a business plan. Again, no fear, I will break all this down for you. Then on Friday, you're going to see that you're going to be finalizing your food truck name, slogan, and of course, you're going to continue working on your business plan because that's going to take you a little longer to finish up. So your food truck name and slogan will be due on Friday, so you will need to submit that on Friday. Should you have any questions throughout the process and throughout this week, please email me and I'll be more than glad to address any issues that you have and help you with any concerns that may need to be addressed. Have a great week. Look forward to seeing you all.